board box, so the anti-static bag there so that we don't short stuff out. Hands on this all-in-one cooler. Power switch on.
Making sure we don't burn the rig down.
What could it be? Like a dead short. The power supply is not, it's just kicking in and out, and it's like a dead short. Of course, why would everything not be shorted on this? I mean, there definitely anything shorted on this setup. Now, what did differently from before was plug this 4-pin in. So we're gonna go ahead and unplug it. Tough gaming. Hey. Oh, it's gonna boot Windows. I thought it fried it all. When you're messing with high-tech equipment, you really shouldn't be doing stuff that I'm doing here. Free air case. That's a really good unit here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Argus monitor, put the fans to 100% on my GPU. At least I'm hoping. Temperatures look pretty decent. Tomorrow I might game on this setup and see what our temps are gonna be. We're running free air here, nice and cool. Ooh, where's my mouse at? Oh yeah, I forgot it was on the floor over here. Oh, look at that little RGB going on. Isn't that cute? She goes, she's taking off. .2%. Yeah, that's not really bad for this open free air unit here. Lights. Camera. Well, obviously it's the camera's on, you know. Action. I decided to hook the RGB up. Why not? It works. Wow, look at that. 160 watts almost. And it's still staying nice and cool. Wondering why my CPU is being used all the way up. Oh, we gotta build shaders. Ugh. Still at the same temperature. Oop, it's starting to cool down a little bit. What do we got? Oh, it stopped building shaders.
He is the contractor. He's the contractor, okay? I can't lose. We'll talk about it in the morning. Get the money for this.
I see.
Oh, good. You started helping out with the mortgage then.
Yeah, you wish. What was that all about? Oh, dang it. I forgot to give this to him. Daddy? You in here?
Seem to be somehow connected to the nationwide
Where the heck
pandemic.
are you?
We've received reports that victims afflicted with the infection show
That's
signs of
nearby.
increased aggression, and
Move everybody out of here now. There's a gas leak. Hey,
there seems to be some commotion coming from.
get the hell out of here! Run!
What was that? Dad?
Tess, go.
All right, hold on. Here, this'll work.
You want to take it easy.
Hey, you're the one always going on about laying low.
And you always brush me off.
Well,
I'll believe it when I see it. Okay.
yes. Let's move.
You guys are pretty good at this stuff.
It's called luck. And it is gonna run out. Tess. It could be it. Maybe that way.
We gotta find a way across. There she is. That's our building.
Watch your step as you're going out, because it's gonna be a little...
It's right around this corner. Come on.
Keep your eyes peeled.
Hey, Ellie! I think we found something.
Let's go see what it is.
Goes all the way through. Give me a hand with this.
All right, same time. Come on.
Let's do it.
All right, come on, kids, go. All right, you go in. Okay.
Hey, flashlights out. Sam, stay close. Someone's finally learning. Which way?
Joel, we should see what's over here.
All right, we'll check this side out.
I'm not a fan.
Me neither. You ain't got much of a choice.
Voila.
Hey, this way. Looks like there's a path up ahead. Right here.
Can we get out this way?
Nah, there's no way to reach that.
Well, I can't swim.
That makes two of us.
All right, Joel. How do we get across?
Guess we gotta figure something out.
Hey, this thing's on some kind of track. Maybe there's a way we can use it.
It's jammed. Henry, give it a shot.
All right. Yep, it's working.
I'm gonna have a look. You keep an eye out. Let's go, Ellie.
Oh, there you go. That's smart.
can't wait to get out of this place.
I gotta say, I'm impressed with you two.
We're pros at this by now. What's up with this?
You think there's people inside?
Maybe.
Are we really going in there?
Oh, it's a sound trap.
What?
It's a sort of alarm.
I don't hear anything.
Someone used to live here. Don't look like that's the case anymore.
Who would stay in here?
Someone who thought they could keep a place like this safe.
Oh, awesome.
Ellie,
Calm down. Hey, Sam.
Yeah?
Stand by the post over there.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay, do it. Oh, Henry, did you see that?
Let's keep it down, buddy, okay? Yeah. Sorry.
You hear that? Infected.
shh, quiet.
Marlene asked him to take me to the Fireflies.
You seem to get along well.
Yeah, well, now I just boss him around. Isn't that right, Joel?
We'll shoot on sight. Lots of friendly people lived here.
First few months after the outbreak, they had a lot of looting. Everyone got paranoid. You remember any of that, Joel?
Yeah, everyone barricaded themselves in their homes. And supplies started running low. That's when you saw what people are really capable of.
Aw, doggies.
You're gonna want to stay away from those. It's not like it is in the zone.
Ellie, what are you thinking?
There, more tracks.
Okay, good.
Come. Let's go.
Come on. Get him. I got your back. You want a hand up?
Got it.
There she is. Kids will be watching movies tonight. It's all the way out, University of Eastern Colorado.
Adios, little brother.
Okay, let me see if I get this straight. If you mess up your fourth down, then you give the ball to the other team?
Right, it's called turnover.
And if you clear the 10 yards, then you're back at first down?
First down, that's right.
Man, that's confusing.
You just gotta play it a couple times. It all makes sense.
Okay, one of these buildings look like a mirror to me.
Well, we'll head to Central Grounds. Should be able to see most of the campus from there.
Ooh, it's getting chilly.
It's that time of year.